Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math. Many find math challenging, but with an easy method, anyone can succeed. We will explore a straightforward approach to mastering mathematical concepts. This involves building a strong foundation and tackling problems systematically. By understanding the core ideas, you can unlock your potential and make math an enjoyable subject. Let's dive into these effective strategies right now. Building a strong foundation is crucial for mathematical success. Start by ensuring you are proficient in basic arithmetic, which forms the bedrock of all higher math. Regularly revisit fundamental concepts in algebra and geometry to reinforce your understanding. Using visual aids, such as graphs or diagrams, can significantly help in conceptualizing abstract ideas. This solid base will make more advanced topics much easier to comprehend. Consistent and effective practice is key to mastering math. Dedicate time each day to solve a diverse range of problems, applying the concepts you have learned. When encountering new problem types, work through example solutions step by step, paying close attention to the logic. Crucially, analyze any mistakes you make to understand where you went wrong, ensuring you do not repeat them. This active engagement solidifies your knowledge. For long-term mastery, regular review is indispensable. Set aside time weekly to revisit older topics, keeping the information fresh in your mind. A powerful technique is to explain concepts to a friend or family member. Teaching often reveals gaps in your own understanding. Finally, try to connect mathematical ideas to real-world scenarios, which provides context and makes the subject more relatable and memorable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.